Hey guys, welcome back to another quick tutorial video of Tech It Simple. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a new event in your Tuta Mail calendar. So, without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Tuta Mail application. After opening the Tuta Mail application, just simply go to the calendar section in the top right. From there, you just simply have to select any of the dates where you want to plan the event. After selecting the date, just simply enter the title for your event. Then, select the date for your event, and you can also select the time by clicking into this tab. You can select if your event is running all day or not by tapping into this box here. You can set the repeating order by clicking into this button. You can set this event repeating order to daily, weekly, monthly, or annually, and also select Do Not Repeat. After selecting all that, you can add a reminder to your event and enter a location too. After doing all that, you just simply have to describe your event in this tab. After doing all this, you just simply have to click on this Save button in order to save your new event. By following these very easy steps, you can easily make a new event in your mail calendar. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.